there is how to open this. It's in here. So it's here. It is a rose gold color. Designed by Apple, California. And here's the charger, the wire. So let's find out if it is good. This is one. And let's open here and follow the instruction. Open this one here. Open this one here. So this is very nice. All the keyboard is clear. It's plastic. And there is a language, changes of language that you're using.
Up your Mac. Press the escape key.
Your name, something. So finally, so this is now. So that's so very nice. And I love to share everyone that MacBook Air. It's so nice. It's so easy to use. So that's for. So I already charged this one. So this is the settings here. You have everything. So guys, this is I would like to share. So this is in the back and this is in the front. So it's very tiny and it's not heavy. The weight is so very nice. So when we open this one like this here, so like that. And so it's already in the program. I have a little bit problem because this is my new MacBook. Since I have my first laptop is Sony Vaio. I brought that when I was working in Saudi Arabia. So at that time, it is a new came out also the Sony Vaio laptop. And since we are now in YouTube, and I decided to buy this MacBook Air. So this is very nice, and when you opened, the operator asking about your countries and then you must to set. So it's already set mine, and then I love the color, I love everything. So this is my second laptop since I brought. And then I have a little bit problem because it's not easy. I thought it's very um, like when you open the desktop. I mean, if you search in the desktop and then you want to going to YouTube, no, it's not. You must to download and Google Chrome before you proceed. So I would like to share uh, everyone the MacBook. It's so nice. So here's the settings. That one. So the Google Chrome is over there, and that's I set already. And look at the keyboard, and the on is in here in this side, this one. So I point this in my finger here, but it's very nice. And then if somebody was asking how to scroll down app, so must to do your two finger, and then it's not the same some other laptop, the easiest like the same, and my Sony Bio, it's so very easy to use. But this one, so I get a struggle of this kind of laptop when, so this is one. So you must do use your two finger if you are doing some scroll down, scroll up. So this is very easy because before I don't know everything about this, but because of YouTube I'll search everything. I love the color, the rose gold, and I love the keyboard, and the settings is when you got it, it's so very easy. So if someone like this video, so comment down below if you are asking anything about MacBook. So don't forget to leave a message, and I can share how to use this MacBook Air 2020. So I use this now for my YouTube because my Sony Bio, it's already broken. Like it's the screen, it's very dark, the black one. So it almost 10 years my Sony Bio. So I hope that this MacBook Air would long last for me. So maybe it depends how to use your gadget or laptop or everything. As you take care of yourself, take care of also your gadget, because it's not easy that you're buying and then or it's not easy that you save your money to buy some the most important that you wanted to. So this is I love it. I love this one. So I hope guys you enjoy. But before anything else, if you want to search any, like if you wanted to go there, this is the Apple, the one, this is the, there is an Apple here. So all you have to do is to click one there, the one so click that one. So there is an about this MacBooks, a system reference, App Store, recent item, spores out, sleep, restart, shutdown, lock screen, log out by your name. So, and this is now in the Google Chrome that I download, and your file, your edit, views, history, bookmark, people, tab, windows, help, and then all the settings is here in down. So, and you log in, and if we are in the YouTube, so we'll learn more. So guys, that's only for today. So I hope everyone is enjoying. I hope guys you enjoy my unboxing MacBook Air 2020. So if you're asking any question, don't forget to comment, and then like, share, and hit the bell icon for notification. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel, Lynn Padian. And I hope guys that my sharing about videos here in YouTube, it will help you also. And I know sometimes it's nonsense, but the memories of our churba it will remain for YouTube. So God bless everyone, and see you for my next video. Bye bye.